Hi there, what was that? AirFix kits, Aldi. Really? That cheap? Madness. Find out more right here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about the Aldi offer on AirFix kits in the run-up to the festive season in 2022. I'll have a look at the two types of kits that are available, which ones they're doing, just see what sort of bargains are on offer. And I think now for anyone coming fresh to the hobby, someone who's used to do it for years and years ago when they're a kid, maybe wants to get back into it, wants something easy to start on. You want a gift for someone you think, you want something creative and positive to give them. All these options are here, and why not? Even if you're a really experienced modeler and you want to try out some new techniques, these are absolutely ridiculously cheap kits. So what I'll do is I'll have a look at all the different kits you can get, prices and stuff like that. Okay, now I do want to point out right now, I do not work for AirFix. I do not work for Aldi. Neither of them have given me any money at all or anything, no free stuff or whatever to be doing this. I just like to shout out a bargain when I see one, okay? So we'll start today with the 6 starter kits. And these are the ones that come with the kit itself plus paints, plus glue and a paintbrush. Okay, let's have a look at what they're doing.
First is the iconic Spitfire, the unforgettable hero of the Battle of Britain and beyond. Everyone should build a Spitfire at least once in their lives. Next is the Hawker Hurricane, backbone of the RAF fighter forces in the Battle of Britain, that shot down more of the enemy even than the more glamorous Spitfire. This is a really nice kit. Then there's the Messerschmitt Bf 109, Germany's most produced fighter that saw action in every part of their war, and a very well put together kit as well. After that, the Focke-Wulf 190, the fast and nimble interceptor that terrorised Allied bomber streams in the middle and end of the war. Moving on to the post-war years, and we have the hunting Percival Jet Provost, a trainer that taught a generation of fighter pilots, here seen in the colours of the Red Pelicans, the aerobatic team that inspired the Red Arrows. And finally, the Mary Rose, pride of King Henry VIII and one of the most famous sailing ships of all time, rescued from the bottom of the English Channel 40 years ago. Each of these kits is on sale at Aldi at just £6.99 each. That's more than 40% off the list price.
Now I think these are nice little kits. I've made all of them. So in fact, if you buy one for someone and they open up the present, hey, look at this, brilliant, how do I make it? Well, hop over back here to YouTube, to my channel, have a look. I've done 6 different build videos for the 6 different kits, using the stuff that AirFix suggests you have, the stuff that comes in the box, so only their paints, only their paintbrush, only their glue, just with a few extra little bits that AirFix always suggest help the day go quicker. Everyday simple stuff, and they include
a pair of nippers or a craft knife for getting the bits off the frames, a nail file to sand off any rough edges, and a paper clip to help apply the glue. You might also want a few clothes pegs and some masking tape to hold bits together while they dry. Other than that, everything you need is in the box.
Now this year, in addition to those 6 kits, Aldi have got their hands on 4 of the Quickbuild range as well.
These are perfect if you don't want glue around, as they simply snap together and come with stickers for markings. Of course, this is AirFix, so there is a Spitfire. See how the coloured parts are used to show the camouflage patterns on the wings and body. Then we come bang up to date with the fantastic F-22 Raptor stealth fighter from the USA. Next, we're on the road with the awesome Bugatti Veyron hypercar,
McLaren P1,
unmistakable in its looks. And finally, the
McLaren P1,
with its stunning aerodynamics and in-your-face colour. Each of these kits is on sale at $8.99 each. The beauty of them is that, with no glue involved, you can take them apart and remake them whenever you like.
There we have it, but before we go, there's just one more thing I'd really like to mention.
Every AIRFIX kit comes with a token for one or more flying hours on the side of the box. These tokens can be collected towards a free kit in the future if you're a member of the AIRFIX Club. But if not, rather than throwing them away, why not cut them out and send them to Models for Heroes? This is a charity that uses model making as an effective therapy for members of the armed forces and emergency services who are living with mental health challenges as a result of their service. So, in this season of goodwill, don't let the rubbish bin have your tokens. Send them to Models for Heroes and AIRFIX will swap them for new kits. If you want to know more, then a link to this superb charity is here, also in the information box below.
That's it then. 6 kits at just under £7 each, and 4 quick builds you can use again and again and again, just under £9 each. What a bargain. Now, I'm told that these are available in store at Aldi from Thursday the 24th of November. They're also available online from them, but you can pre-order it if you're ahead of them. But otherwise, in store or online, Thursday 24th of November, I do suggest you start picking them out quickly though, because I remember last year there were some shortages, there were some panics. Don't let that happen again. Get your order in nice and early, or pop down to Aldi, pick them up nice and early, then you're absolutely certain you've got them in. These are brilliant little kits. I've been making kits for years. I've made, as I say, all 6 of them. I enjoyed making all 6 of them. So they make lovely little models anyone would be proud of. Now, if you enjoyed the show, I really hope you have, then please remember, give it a thumbs up on the like button below. And if you sparked your interest in any of this, then just subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and then you'll be notified of new videos as they turn up. In any case, I wish you joy over the holiday season, however you choose to celebrate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye now.